Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ratu Ayu. You can call me Ratu. So I'm first semester and then I'm A class. So today I want to tell about the article. Hold on. Okay, this is I found this article in Google Scholar, and of course before that, why I chose this article, because there is correlation about critical reading and critical thinking. Uh, and then I think this article more easier to understand for me. Okay, we can see the title of the title of the article, critical thinking as learning and innovating skill on 21st century. So why we should what is that, of course in the critical thinking we should know the topic what is talking about, and then we can in this critical thinking we can use skimming and scanning, of course. And then before that, in the reading comprehension using critical thinking technique, of course there are three parts. The first is pre-reading. Of course, pre-reading preview the text, identifying the purpose of reading by scanning. Maybe you can scanning with scanning or scamming the abstract and introduction, and then you can see this is the abstract and introduction, and you can also see keywords, critical thinking skill. Okay, that is more easier to understand what we want to know about this article. And the second is active prior knowledge. Consider what do you already know about critical thinking in industry. And then the third, set a purpose. Of course, we should know about the purpose why we should read this article. You can make an answer about that. And then for the second technique is while reading. Of course, the first is annotating. We can annotating highlight the key point, just key points, not all about the introduction. Not all we can read all this introduction, because that is can waste the time. Of course, we just highlight the key points about the correlation between critical reading and critical thinking. And the second is question the text. You can make a question for this article. What do you want to know, and what is the author purpose, and anything. Why critical? Oh my god. why critical thinking is essential in education, and how improve that skill, problem solving skill. I think like that you can ask yourself or make a question, what do you want to know. And then the third is contact idea. Relate the point made you into the introduction and understanding of educational trends. And of course, the last is post reading. Post reading, there are summarize, reflects, and evaluating. For the summarize, concise the main argument and critical reading and just critical thinking, which is crucial for industry. And then the reflects, consider how this finding apply to your own learning or teaching context. And then the third is evaluate. Assess whether the author provides strong evidence for their claims and how this might influence future educational practice. Of course, you can evaluate apa yang kurang di sini gitu. Jadi bisa dievaluasikan lagi. Terus we can use the maybe I have some example for the how to make a question for this article. The first is what is the purpose, this research purpose? Apa sih penelitian ini? Apa sih tujuan dari penelitian ini? Gitu. Terus nanti kalau sudah tahu jawabannya, baru kita mengerti itu. Terus apa saja komponen utama dari keterampilan berpikir kritis? Kalau saya baca di sini itu pasti ada komponen-komponennya. Nah, yang ketiga itu apa saja sih strategi membaca yang digunakan untuk dalam penelitian gitu. Terus yang keempat ini, yang terakhir, bagaimana hubungan keterampilan critical thinking dan keterampilan atau critical reading menurut hasil penelitian. Of course, bukan hanya saja kita membaca abstrak dan introduction-nya, jadi kita harus juga membaca sampai bawah, sampai susah ya. Sampai result-nya juga ya, apa sih hasilnya, penelitian ini menunjukkan hasilnya apa gitu ya. Nah, jadi kita bisa menggunakan skimming and scanning ya. Dari teknik critical reading sendiri, critical thinking, itu kita bisa menggunakan skimming and scanning juga. Oke. I'm so tired. Oke, mungkin sampai sini aja kali ya. Mungkin sampai sini aja penjelasan dari penjelasan dari teknik critical thinking. Aku kan I use the critical thinking. Yang pertama itu ada pre-reading, yang kedua ada while reading, yang ketiga ada post-reading, of course. Jadi ada 3 nih. Yang pertama itu sebelum membaca, yang kedua itu sewaktu sedang membaca, yang ketiga yaitu setelah membaca. Jadi ada di situ tadi sudah saya jelaskan tentang apa saja sih yang kita perlukan sebelum membaca, apa yang kita perlukan sedang membaca, terus tuh apa saja yang harus kita lakukan setelah membaca. Oke, semoga ini bermanfaat, semoga videonya bermanfaat. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh my God.